Top 5 Anti-Aging Foods to Eat After 50. As we age, our bodies need more nutrients and antioxidants to fight the effects of oxidative stress, inflammation, and cellular damage. Some foods can help us maintain our health and vitality by providing essential vitamins, minerals, phytochemicals, and healthy fats. Here are some of the best anti-aging foods to eat after 50. 1. Berries. Berries are loaded with antioxidants, which help protect your cells from free radical damage and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as cancer, heart disease, and diabetes. Berries also contain soluble fiber, which helps lower your cholesterol levels, control your blood sugar levels, and keep you feeling full for longer. Additionally, berries are rich in vitamins, minerals, and phytochemicals that support your immune system, eye health, and brain health. 2. Leafy greens. Leafy greens are low in calories but high in fiber, which can help you feel full and prevent overeating. Fiber also supports your digestive health and lowers your cholesterol levels. Leafy greens are packed with antioxidants, which protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause inflammation, aging, and chronic diseases. Antioxidants can also boost your immune system and fight infections. Leafy greens are a great source of vitamins and minerals, such as vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, iron, calcium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for your vision, skin, bones, blood, nerves, and muscles. 3. Nuts. Nuts are rich in antioxidants, which can protect your cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. Antioxidants can also lower your risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease, diabetes, and cancer. Nuts are high in fiber, which can support your gut health and digestion. Fiber can also help you feel full and prevent overeating. Protein can also regulate your blood sugar levels and hormones. 4. Fish. Improving brain function and memory. Fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential for brain development and maintenance. Omega-3s can also help prevent cognitive decline and dementia in older adults. Lowering the risk of cardiovascular disease. Fish can lower blood pressure, cholesterol, and triglycerides, as well as prevent blood clots and inflammation. Eating fish at least twice a week can reduce the risk of heart attack and stroke by up to 30%. Supporting eye health and vision. Fish contain vitamin A, which is important for maintaining healthy eyesight and preventing night blindness. Omega-3s can also protect against age-related macular degeneration and dry eye syndrome. Enhancing skin and hair quality. Fish provide protein, zinc, iron, and biotin, which are vital for the growth and repair of skin and hair cells. Omega-3s can also moisturize the skin and scalp, reduce inflammation, and prevent acne and eczema. Boosting immune system and mood. Fish contain vitamin D, which helps regulate the immune system and fight infections. Vitamin D can also improve mood and mental health by increasing serotonin levels in the brain. 5. Olive oil. One of the main benefits of olive oil is its high content of monounsaturated fatty acids, MUFAs, which are considered to be healthy fats. MUFAs can help lower your bad cholesterol, LDL, levels and increase your good cholesterol, HDL, levels, which can reduce your risk of heart disease and stroke. MUFAs can also help regulate your blood pressure and blood sugar levels, which can prevent or manage diabetes and metabolic syndrome. Another benefit of olive oil is its rich source of antioxidants, which are substances that protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can cause oxidative stress and inflammation in your body, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer, Alzheimer's, arthritis, and aging. Antioxidants in olive oil include vitamin E, polyphenols, and oleocanthal. Oleocanthal is a compound that has anti-inflammatory properties similar to ibuprofen, a common painkiller.